In this lecture, we are going to talk about Ingress in Kubernetes. Before Ingress, there was a problem. External access was complicated. Exposing pods outside the cluster required manual configuration that changed every time pods were rescheduled or their IPs changed. Load balancing was missing. Without Ingress, distributing traffic evenly across pods was manual. Managing multiple services with different endpoints was complex and hard to maintain. Routing traffic to the right pods required custom rules outside Kubernetes. Kubernetes introduced Ingress to solve these challenges. Let's break it down using the 5W2H method. What is an ingress? Ingress is a resource that manages external HTTP and HTTPS access to services inside the cluster. The diagram in the left shows the traffic flow. Clients send requests, example http://example.com/a or /b, through an external load balancer to the Ingress controller. The Ingress controller, like Jinx, uses routing rules to decide which service should handle the request. Requests are then forwarded to the correct service, A or B, which passes traffic to the corresponding pod. Why does Ingress exist? It is used to expose multiple services through a single external IP or domain name, simplifying traffic management. It allows for advanced routing, SSL termination, and load balancing. Who uses it? Developers and DevOps engineers configure Ingress resources and manage traffic rules. Ingress controllers, such as Jinx or Trafic, implement the rules within the cluster. When is it used? Ingress is applied when applications require complex routing or a single entry point to multiple services. It is ideal for production environments with multiple microservices. Where does it run? Ingress operates at the cluster boundary, routing external traffic to internal services. It is implemented by an Ingress controller running inside the Kubernetes cluster. How is it created? Ingress uses YAML configurations to define routing rules for specific paths or host names. The Ingress controller processes these rules and directs traffic accordingly to the target services. How much does it cost? Costs depend on the resources consumed by the Ingress controller and any external load balancer it relies on. In summary, Ingress simplifies external access by consolidating multiple services behind one entry point with powerful routing capabilities.